How to exit a battle in Archero 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Archero 2 and wondering how to exit the battle, then all you need to do is to go ahead and tap on the pause button at the top left corner while you are on a battle. Tap the pause icon at the top left and you'll be able to pause the game. Now here, go ahead and tap on exit battle. Remember that if you exit the battle in the middle, then you will lose your rewards from the current battle. If you're sure you want to do that, click on confirm. And that's it. That's how you can easily exit an ongoing battle in Archero 2. So there you have it. I hope the tutorial helped you to leave a battle quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.